Okay, D, here we go. So whole and wrong, not around an axis, right? So I'm going to go pi. No, I'm not. Pi. Okay. Integral from where to where? Which way am I walking? We're spinning around this pin right here, right? So it's spinning this way. So which way are the circles? So I'm walking the y direction, right? So I'm going to be walking through these washer-looking things as I go this way. Does that make sense? Pretty much you can walk in the direction of the thing you're rotating around. Pretty much that's as safe as it gets, I think. So we're walking the y direction, so we're going to go from where to where? We're going to integrate, starting our walkers. Sorry, starting one. We're going to start walking where? 0, 2. Okay. And I'm going to throw a big dy out here in the boondocks. Okay, so now we do the outside one minus the inside one. What's the outside one? Y equals square root of x, but we're writing it in terms of y. Y squared. But I'm going around 6. So what do I write? Minus 6. That whole thing squared. Minus the whole. What's the equation for the whole? The inside. What's the equation for the inside? 4 minus. Well, it's not even y squared. What am I going around? 6. Now the reasoning behind that is, by the way, this distance right here is going to be your radius of your inside shape, right? So it's 4 minus 6 the whole entire time because it's going to be 2, right? And then I do that whole thing squared. Whoops. No. What did I do? Oh, I did that wrong. Hold on. Hold on. That's squared, right? And then I finish the problem. Does that make sense? All right. Finish that one up. I get pi. I got a mess on my hands, so I'll spend a little time getting on messy. X to the 4th minus 12y squared. I keep saying x, but it's not x. Plus 36 minus 4. Which gives me a 32 here, and then finish it up. So I get y to the 5th over 5, pi out in front, minus 12y to the 3rd over 3, plus 32y from 0 to 2. Plug in 2, plug in 0, and we're done. And that's it. That's as hard as they get. Rotate on a wrong thing with a hole. I guess I could have a weird, like the inside could be a weird shape too, but I think it's actually harder when it's a straight up and down because you have to figure out what that equation is. It's just a little weird. It's not as obvious. Okay. All right, flip it over. Try 12. Super satisfying? What are you doing over there?
We're going to do all 4 without talking, and then we're going to share.
Yeah, check at the end, see if you got the right answer. I'm with you. I've got upside down. So it goes like this, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do those cross at? Nope. Oh, the other one's got to be to the right. It's got to be shifted to the right. I got that wrong. Hurt. So it's got to be like this. Is that correct? Like this.
Correct.
Gives me this is my shape. And that corner there would be at 2. Yes, 2, 2, 4. Right? If I go on the x-axis, that would be the integral. So I'm rotating around the x-axis. So I'm walking my circle in the x direction. And it'll be the big one. The big one is 4x minus x squared minus the inside one, which is going to be x squared. The x. As I'm going this way, I'm going in the x direction, so that's from 0 to 2. That would be 16 minus 8x squared plus x to the 4th minus x to the 4th. Those two cancel out the x. Oh, I like this problem. What are you doing over there? 0, 2. That gives me 32 minus 64 thirds minus 0. Got 0. So 96. So 32 thirds. Times pi. I didn't put pi down. That's awesome. No, I've had worse days. Not much worse days, I hope. Still 13. B, I wonder y equals 6. Y equals 6 would be a line that goes this way up there. I'm going to need more space. I'm not. What? Four. Sorry, what? It says. Oh, did I just do that? That's interesting.
Sorry.
Stop talking to each other and pay attention so I don't have to deal with this. Okay. X squared is x to the third. This becomes x squared, which makes this x to the... How did you get the same answer? Yeah. Yeah, but it's 4x minus x squared, and I did 4 minus x squared.
I did 4x minus x squared.
I'm suspicious, but we keep going. We get the same answer. It is possible. So this is x to the third over 3. This becomes x to the fourth over 4. So then I throw a 2 in there. I get 2, 4, 8. So I get 16 times 8 over 3 minus 32. Pi out in front. It'll probably be the same thing. Same as you had before, but I had ill-gotten gains last time. All right, good to know. 30 and 28 minus 3 times 32. Yep, sure enough. 32 thirds pi.
I have to walk my classes. I just said it was.
Hey, I had the right answer. You guys weren't supposed to notice that one. If you'd done your work, you wouldn't even know that I got that one wrong.
Yeah.
You were in the process there. You're talking about whatever you guys are talking about.
You literally asked us during that one right there to check your work.
I know. Check my work. Let's go. Get on it. Get started. Let's go. Now I get destroyed by B. I'm going to get destroyed by B. That's it. I'm stepping up my game. Outside is the parabola. So pi integral. We're rotating around the y-axis, and we're going this way. So I'm still walking the x direction, which is nice. The outside one is going to be my parabola, so that's going to be x squared minus 6, whole thing squared, minus, the inside one is going to be it's going to be 4x minus x squared minus 6 squared dx.
Well, that was fun.
So pi 0 to 2 x to the fourth minus 12x squared plus 36 minus parentheses 16x squared minus 4x to the third minus 24x minus 4x to the third plus x to the fourth. Are we not going around 6? I'm going 6, thank you. Don't stop me halfway through the problem. Here we go. Then minus x to the fourth plus 6 X to the second. Oh, good.
We didn't get to the
What's next time?
Wait, we didn't get to the next worksheet.
That's okay. It's just more than nothing doing it.
For B, it's
Huh?
like
Like, let's just align it this way, right? Do we do that parabola minus the other one? Yes, sir. Line.
President,
Shake hand.
how late Monday will you be?
How late Monday?
Like 7?
7? No.
My flight lands at 6, and I
No, I'm not here till 7 on Monday. Good Lord.
I personally don't care about kids that get like 60% level.
I'll try to make sure everyone ready after school day. Okay. Then I'll see you Tuesday-ish. More importantly, get a quiz. When I send me an email, so I'll send you the quiz.
Can I
Right?
just do it at home?
Yeah, you can do it at home, but it's not going to help you. But it'll give you good practice, so you can talk about it when you get here on Tuesday.
President, you'll talk to me, so.
But I will come by and talk to your son. I don't know how much it's going to help. Probably not much at all. You check your email though. Yeah, if she responds, that would be incredibly helpful.
I send you what to get,
There are many teachers that once they leave school, email doesn't follow them, and that's probably a life goal of mine.
frequency of which it's not. I think this is a very low frequency, almost just now. Good.
Be well, let's go.
We'll go.
Rounds, years,
TDC, END frequency. Everything else. I just pulled over as he was driving. Like 800 miles per hour.
I have never gone 800 miles per hour. I have a Subaru.